In the past few years where penetration testing has grown so much and has developed so much, we've seen like this avalanche of critical CVs like permeating every layer of technology and just putting everyone in firefight mode, which seems to be the norm. How do you help your colleagues, the people in the teams that you lead, step away from that reactive way of working and switch to a more methodical approach, a more cool-headed approach? Because I feel like that's one of the things that comes from this level of self-reflection and then spending time thinking about these things and allowing yourself to have that space. So how do you actually guide them on this particular path?
Yeah, there's a thing in life called temperance, right? Thinking about how you react to situations and not overreact, right? And a lot of that comes down to critical thinking skills and managing your emotions in high stress situations, which everybody handles stress and new information very differently. Some want to just jump right into that firefighting mode, like when a new vulnerability comes out, right? For a pen tester, it might be, ooh, look at this new shiny vulnerability and I need the exploit and I'm going to start getting shells on all these boxes because of this new shiny thing. And I'll always say, okay, that's great, this sounds really cool, but let's think about for a minute what is the true impact of this, and think about how the vulnerability works. Employ more of those critical thinking skills before you just jump to something and thinking it's the next best thing that I need to focus on, because oftentimes you'll find out, okay, this isn't really that great and I've just wasted all this time working on this tool or this exploit to take advantage of this vulnerability. So for me, it's about telling everyone, first acknowledging what they're feeling is very important, but then to also give them maybe a different perspective to think about before they just jump all in on it, and to make them think.